Safety is not something we take lightly. Protection is a core value of how we do business with our employees and our customers. In the small town of Fernley, Nevada, at JM's polyiso plant, Karen Champagne has taken a large role on the safety committee. Leading initiatives to bring awareness and procedure to protecting her fellow co-workers has made her the Fernley Plant Safety MVP.
I've been on the safety committee for over half my career here. I've been here 14 years, so yes, I've been on it for over half that time.
Karen begins each day checking in contractors, making sure they are authorized and have the proper safety equipment to meet plant standards. This is only a part of the process, and before she can start loading trucks, she first takes initiative to go through her own safety checklist.
Each and every day before I load the incoming contractors' trucks, my forklift is inspected by myself, make sure that it's functioning properly and safely so I can go out and do my job.
JM's Fernley plant maintains a Star Site certification from OSHA, which is based on quality of hazard control, worksite analysis, training, and cooperation between management and coworkers. When working around dangerous equipment, safety may sound obvious, but it is important to go through a written checklist and, if needed, take 5 minutes to stop, breathe, think, plan, and proceed. To Karen and the other employees at Fernley, safety is not just something that happens by chance. It happens by choice, through initiative and passion, shedding light on what the JM experience is truly about.